Hey you guys, and welcome back to What's Next with Stephanie. Hope everyone's doing well. And today we're making black paella. Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, well, before anything, I hope all you guys are doing great. And thank you for to all my new subscribers. I super
You passed 500.
And yes, I did.
Congratulations.
Thank you. It's my husband behind the camera. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. It gets me motivated to do it. More videos for you guys. But I was in Stop and Shop and I found, my husband loves seafood. Paella. I found two, black paella and just, I guess, regular.
I guess it's regular.
But
Yeah.
I've never made these. I'm not a fan of seafood, but my husband really loves seafood. So I was like, you know what? Let's try it.
Everything is in there, right?
Yeah.
Except
So,
for...
I'm not sure which one I'm going to make. But I don't know. I'll probably just get this one out of the way, too. But it says, actually, they're both about the same. So I'm going to read this one. Yep. It says everything is in here. All you need is, of course, this box. 1 3/4 cups of water. It says to add 1 tablespoon of Goya olive oil, and then just stir. And it should take about 20 minutes. So let's see. Again, and he loves seafood, so also once it's done, I'm just gonna add this that I also get. I always get it in Stop and Shop. I don't like.
You don't like the smell?
Oh, this one says it takes 30 minutes.
Okay. Make
All right, you guys.
Pick.
I'm gonna make
whichever one you're ready for.
I don't know. I think I'm gonna make this one, the black paella. It says to cook it takes about 20 minutes. Everything's here right on the side of the box. So let's see. It says it brings everything, but and then on the top it says 30 minutes. So I guess with preparation and everything. So let's get right into it. Again, I just seen it in Stop and Shop. Just so your local grocery store might have it. All right.
So that would be...
I'm guessing this is the rice. Oh, look at that.
So it's seafood.
Ooh.
I guess that's the seafood.
Black paella seafood mix.
Yeah, see?
Dun, dun, dun. I'm so looking forward to the smells that are going to come out of this little latita. All right, you guys. So here's my cup and 3/4 cups, actually, of water. So we're gonna let this come to a boil, and then we'll start adding the contents of the rice package. All right, you guys, so the water's starting to boil. Let's open this bad boy. Oh my gosh. What in the world? Ah! Look at that.
It's black.
It is super black.
How does it smell?
Oh man. Actually, like my nose is like burned with this smell.
It takes over the...
So let's see, but you can see all the aceite that's in there. All right, you guys. Oh, it is super packed, so be careful when you open it because I almost spilled it. Oh, this has like chunks of the... This might be the chunks of the seafood that's in here. Look at this. Ooh. You can smell the seasoning, but let's just dump all this in here. Ooh. Listen, when they said black paella. They were not joking. Look at the inside of that. And I'm adding the tablespoon of olive oil. So, let's see. I'm gonna stir all that. Stir it up, and then I'm just gonna leave it until, you know, I guess how you know how you make regular rice. It needs to start sucking up all this water. And once it starts, then once it starts getting dried out and you can actually see the contents of the rice, then I'll come back. Look at my spoon. Ooh, and the smells in this kitchen. All right, look at that. It's been covered for 20 minutes. So let's stir this. And let's see. Oh my. Y'all. Listen, if any of you guys ever made this black paella or regular paella, let me know.
It's supposed to look like that?
Yeah.
I'm eating it.
Yeah, that's what it said. So if anybody has made this, let me know what you guys, do you guys like it? I mean,
because you're definitely not gonna like it.
Am I?
Because of the smell and the look.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna turn it off, and
Just let it sit there.
I'm just gonna let it sit here for a little bit.
The more smell.
It's so if you guys ever made this, let me know. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Or what did you guys eat it with? Oh my God, mira the how do you say that? The aceite?
Oil.
The oil. All right, you guys, so I just served it. I put it on a plate. So here it is. Guess what? I'm gonna grab a spoon and see and give it to my husband behind.
So all that is the
everything is in
okay.
all the ingredients
the
and everything that was inside the box.
Okay.
Which
so
is
all
these
seafood.
things. Yeah, it's all seafood. Oh, you see it? Is that it's black, of course, because of the, but I don't know if you can see it.
Yeah, they can see it.
Little pieces. And then this is just the add-on of the octopus.
Calamari, octopus?
Oh.
Yeah, well.
Calamari. Well,
Yeah.
I don't know.
Okay,
The seafood, the pieces that I put in there. But I'm going to give him a good one. Ha ha ha.
It's hot.
It is hot. I'll blow it.
Okay, here we go. Here.
All right. I'm not going to taste it.
Not bad.
Not bad?
Yeah.
All right.
Not bad.
So there you go. Black paella. So let me know if you guys ever made the paella. So again, I got 2 boxes from Stop and Shop. So check in your local grocery store to see if you guys, if they have it in your grocery store.
So that's the black one, and
this
you
is
have
the
the other
black one.
Well, you're not, it's
I'm
cooked
not
the same
gonna-
thing.
I'm not gonna make it today, of course, because this is just for my husband. But let me know down in the comments if you tried any of these and what did you think. And if I did it right, I just followed the box.
Tastes good.
And this is actually, it's the same ingredients, just the water and the olive oil. So this is it. And if you have, hope you enjoy. And again, thank you to all my new subscribers. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for your support. And please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in the next one.
Follow you on
Oh,
TikTok.
yes, please follow
Sorry,
me on
I
TikTok.
gotta remind you. So
Yeah.
TikTok, Instagram.
But yeah.
You usually post daily on Instagram.
Yes, I do post
Yeah,
daily on
yeah.
Instagram. So if you haven't already, go check out my TikTok and my Instagram.
How to
And
make paella?
Yeah.
Or paella or paella? How you say it?
paella.
Paella. Okay. There you go.
Paella. All right, you guys. See you guys in the next one. And if you do try it, let me know and enjoy. Bye, you guys. Take care.